In this program, you are going to understand the use of assignment operator. This is something that you have done in the previous videos also. So here are some more examples along with certain shorthand notations. So in the first three statements, what we are doing is we are assigning a value. So it's basically like we are writing a is equals to 2. So the flow of control is always from right to left. So that is like 2 on the right hand side will be transferred to the left side. So that is to this particular variable a. So a will be holding the value 2, b will be holding the value 10, c will be holding the value 0. After that, we are putting a formula to add the numbers. So that is like 2 plus a plus b up over here. So at the runtime, these variables will be replaced by the value. So that would be 2 plus 10. So the result will be 12, and that is again stored to the left hand side, that is to the variable c, and we are printing the result using this print statement along with the message that the value of c is 12. Now here you can note that earlier the value of c was 0 because we have updated the value. So the updated value of the variable c will be printed up over here in with the print statement. Likewise, we are moving forward and writing c plus is equals to a. Now here you can see that this is a shorthand notation for the formula c is equals to c plus a. So this same formula can be written in both the ways. If you are writing the formula of adding the two numbers and storing back in the first one, so this can be written like this also. And if you want to make a shorthand notation for this, so the same formula can be written like this as well. So using this formula, the value of c would be like 12 plus 2, so that would be 14, and we are printing it using the print statement up over here. So 14 will be printed in place of this variable c. Likewise, we are putting a shorthand notation for the multiplication of two numbers and storing back into c. So this means like c is equals to c multiplied by a. So you can write this statement like this also. So they both are like one and the same thing. So up over here, as you can see, so you are multiplying the updated value of c with a. That means 14 multiplied by 2, so that will give you 28. So you are printing the value of c using this print statement, and up over here the result would be 28 for you. Likewise, you are putting a division operator. So this can also be written like c is equals to c divided by a. So that is the updated value of c will be divided by 2. So if you are using a shorthand notation here, so that would be like the updated value of c, that is 28, divided by 2, that will give you back 14 again. So here 14 will be printed. Likewise, you are using the exponential formula up over here using this exponent operator. So this is basically like 14 to the power of 2. So that will give you 196 in when you are in this print statement when you are printing the value of c. Moving forward, next you are doing the floor division using this shorthand notation. So that is the updated value of c, that is 196 divided by 2. So that will give you 98, and you are printing the result up over here. After that, you are calculating the remainder. So it's basically like whatever the value of c is there, that is 98 right now. So that is being divided by 2, and you are storing the remainder because you are using this modulus operator up over here. So c will hold the remainder value after the division. So that is 98 divided by 2, which is completely divisible. So that will give you the remainder as 0, and this will be displayed using this print statement. So now when you run the program, to see the output, you simply click on the run module, and here comes the output for you. So it's basically like addition of 2 plus 10 is 12. Then you are doing let me keep it in parallel for you to better understand this. Yeah, so here you can relate it side by side. So what you are doing is you have done a plus b, so that makes it 12, like 10 plus 2. After that, you are adding 2 more one time into that, so that makes 14. Then multiply by 2 makes 28, divided by 2 makes it 14. Then 14 to the power 2 using the exponent operator gives you 196. Then floor division gives you 98, and the remainder gives you 0.